Okay, so here is one more video of another teacher that is doing the bowling ball demonstration. So let's just review this real quick. So speeding up a bowling ball from rest. Okay, so let's just watch and see. He's actually going to tap it different rates. So on the bottom one, he's tapping at 60 beats per minute, right? So a faster tapping rate than the top one, okay? So let's just look at the bottom one, just because that's all we're really concerned about at this moment, okay? So when you tap the bowling ball from behind, right, in the same direction that it's moving, okay, then you should see that the ball is speeding up, okay? All right, if you want to slow a bowling ball down that's already moving, okay, if it's already moving, you have to hit it which direction, okay, which would be opposite of the direction that it's moving, right? You would be applying a force or a hit or a tap opposite to the way that it's moving, okay? And then this one, I really wanted to show you, this is something normally we could go do in the gym and you could see it, but here is a bowling ball that is being tapped to get it moving, okay? But after it stops being tapped, okay, this is just a flat floor at this guy's school, right? This is not a hill, okay, right? So yeah, he's trying to keep it off the wall, okay? But you really need to pay attention to this, right? What happens to the ball if you don't even hit it, okay? And the answer should be that it's moving at a constant speed, right? Once it's already moving, you don't have to tap it to get it to move, okay? Will just keep moving, even without tapping, as you can see, okay? And later in this video, he shows it the other way, just in case you think it's like a lie, right? That it's a hill or something, but it's not. It's, oh, here. Oh, let's just watch it. Let's see I didn't watch this part yet. Okay, so this is the other direction now, I guess, right? So again, he's gonna get it moving, okay, right? And then you can see that he doesn't have to do anything to it to keep it moving, okay? Once it's moving, right, then it just will keep moving without any forces on it at all. All right.